the way our night is going to go as well. We're going to be on the edge of our seats watching what's coming tonight. This is an enormous system that is continuing to push rain into the Ohio River Valley and the Great Lakes, coming all the way from Texas up past St. Louis and Chicago, getting into our neck of the woods. And there is a potential for some very severe weather through the middle of the country with this system. We are on the northeast edge of the whole thing, so we're not going to rule out severe weather for us, but the stronger storms will be down into parts of southern Illinois, Kentucky, and Arkansas. We have rain moving through most of Ohio right now. It is raining where you don't even see some of the radar returns. There's still some drizzle there, so it is very wet across most of the state right now, including here in Columbus. Heavier rain happening down in Washington Courthouse. Some of that just south of Lancaster. It's about to get into the Hocking Hills there, and a little bit more of that coming out I-70 past Buckeye Lake towards Zanesville. And then you can see on Tower Cam, that's what your windshield is going to look like, because the rain continues and it's not going anywhere for a few days. 52 right now at the airport. Wind out of the east at 6 miles per hour. Your DR Horton America's Builder current conditions pretty consistent between about 52 and 55 degrees. A couple of places a little warmer or a little cooler, but most areas right there in the mid-50s. Watch what happens tonight. The rain that's out there right now does come and go a little bit, but after midnight, we have this new batch of thunderstorms that starts to move in, and these are the ones that have the potential to be strong to severe. Unfortunately, it's another overnight event. So tonight into early Saturday is when we're going to have to really pay attention again, because this is an all hazards event. The chance of tornadoes is very low, but we'll call it non-zero. So that's why we're going to have to watch these through the night tonight. 56 for an overnight low with those gusty winds and a chance for some hail. Daytime on Saturday, take your rain gear, because the clouds will be around all day. In the afternoon, we get another chance for some pretty widespread rain. Could get some thunder out of these, but this is not the severe part. The concern is going to be after about 8, 9 o'clock. We start getting another round of thunderstorms that may tap into some extra energy. So those are going to be the problem for the late afternoon and evening. Then on Sunday, another round of rain coming in that at times is going to be heavy. And you heard at the top of the show, Mike almost said the S word. We're going to just call this instead non-liquid. How about that? So non-liquid precipitation is possible by the time we get to Sunday night, because it's going to get chilly again. The rainfall totals between now and Sunday, 2 to 3 inches worth of rain across a lot of Ohio. And some of this is, well, all of this is on top of what we've already had. So we already have rivers running very high, but this is even more as we go between now and Sunday, and that's why that flood watch remains in effect for pretty much the entire state. So a chance for some strong storms late and overnight tonight, again for Saturday afternoon and evening, and by the time we get to Sunday, it's mainly just some heavy rain and the potential for a little bit of mix. 47 on Sunday, 54 on Monday. We're in the 40s for high.